Hi guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Type 25 rebuild. Fuel tank's done. Look at that bad boy. Really good quality. New neck, new clamps, new metal, new breathers. Getting there. Now on to the rear brakes. Here's where we're at this morning. Back plates off, ready. Handbrakes all off, ready. Fuel lines were done yesterday. Fuel's in. Just waiting on parts. Drums all cleaned up. New back plates, cylinders, pipes, handbrake cables. Sorted out the earth strap because it was turning over slowly. Just the shocks and the engine to go through. Here's our first look at the front brakes. I just looked at the front brake pipe and it snapped. You can see that. So rusty. So the plan is to put calipers, discs, bearings, back plates, flexibles and new metal pipes at the top. Here we go, all new hard lines, back plates, calipers, discs, bearings, flexibles. Look at that, there's a money shot. Now on to the cold start problem. It cranks slowly. I'm hoping it's just a bad earth on the gearbox, starter or battery end. I've replaced the battery earths. Here goes nothing. Now she runs onto the engine. New exhaust, full service. Because look at that boat anchor. Look at the corrosion. Servo pipes broke off. All the pipes are rusty. Belts are all toasty. So on to my brother for the next stage. My brother removed the radiator. As you can see, it's well toasty. As you can see, we put a brand new aluminium radiator in there, a good quality one, and had all the bracketry, shroud, etc. powder coated in black, and the spare wheel clamshell also is done, so it looks really nice. So look out for the next video with my brother Gary Angel Racing next door. We'll be going through the engine, stainless exhaust, just getting it generally tidying up the engine. He steam cleaned it, getting it ready for the MOT.